Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like at the very end. Okay, so first off, I want to say for you to not judge me. I know a paint roller is not ideal for furniture. But at this point I was doing my side table at the same time, and I got really lazy and wanted to experiment because I've actually never done it this way before, and yeah, it was a fail. I didn't like it. It gave it too much texture. After I thought it would sit and then kind of settle and flatten out, but it didn't. So I went back with my foam roller and just smoothed out the paint. So my goal here was to kind of make this table mimic a farmhouse style table. I do like the finish where the top of the table is a different color than the base, but I think this white on the bottom of the tabletop would actually make the color pop out more. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just painting the bottom, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna paint the top. So I originally wanted to stain the top of the table, but I didn't like the grain of the wood. So here I'm just putting on my base, which is a gray paint that I actually use for my room. So you see me painting in different angles, but that's just because the grain of the wood is going in different ways. So I have to paint with the grain, and then at the end I'll smooth everything out. So a tip that I do want to give you guys, pretty much what I do when I'm painting pieces like this, that has multiple parts or that's a large area. So what I did here was I painted the pedestal of the table, and then as I waited for that to dry, I put the top of the table on and painted the base of that. Once I got that to set, then I painted the pedestal again to give it the second coat, and then I painted the top of the table. So I move from one area to the next and wait for the paint to dry so that I can add the second coat. But while I'm waiting for the piece to dry or the section to dry, I'm painting something else, so it doesn't take me a long time. Okay, so what I did was add a beige layer on top of the gray base that I added, and now what I'm doing is I'm adding a whitewash on top of that to give it a layered wood weathered effect. When I first added the white, I realized that I put too much water, so I'm just going back and just testing out how much paint per water that I'm using. So what I did was dip the brush in the water, drain the water with a towel, and then I added the brush into the paint, damp the excess paint off of that, and then brush that onto the table. It is a lot of steps, but it does give the table a beautiful weathered look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you do like my videos, please subscribe. There will be more videos to come. Please comment down below what you would like to see me do next. See you in the next one. Bye.